At a restaurant. Wrong food. Excuse me, I think this is the wrong dish.
Really? You ordered the pasta, right?
Yes, but I said no cheese.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell the kitchen.
Forgot? I told you very clearly.
I know. I made a mistake.
I have an allergy. I can't eat cheese.
Oh no. Are you okay?
I didn't eat it yet. I noticed first.
Good. That's very good.
But now I'm hungry and waiting.
I will bring you a new one right now.
How long will it take?
Only 5 minutes, I promise.
5 minutes is okay, but please hurry.
I will. I will tell the chef myself.
And please make sure there is no cheese.
Yes, I will watch them cook it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Here you go. Fresh pasta. No cheese.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
I am very sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
I feel terrible. It was my fault.
Don't worry. You fixed it quickly.
Can I get you a free dessert?
Really? That's very nice of you.
Yes, it's the least I can do.
Okay, I would like that.
What dessert would you like?
Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, we have the best chocolate cake.
Okay, I'll take that.
Perfect. I will bring it after your meal.
Thank you, Carlos. You are a good waiter.
Thank you, and I promise to listen better.
Good. Now let me enjoy my pasta.
Enjoy your meal.
At a train station. Wrong platform. Excuse me? Can you help me, please?
Of course. What is the problem?
I need to go to Brighton. Is this the right platform?
Let me see your ticket.
Here it is.
Oh no, you were on platform 3.
Is that wrong?
Yes, the Brighton train leaves from platform 7.
Platform 7? Where is that?
It's on the other side of the station.
The other side? But my train leaves in 5 minutes.
I know, you need to hurry.
I don't know where to go.
Okay, follow me. I will show you.
Really? Thank you so much.
Walk fast. We don't have much time.
Why is this station so big?
Haha, it is very big. It confuses people.
I feel so stupid.
Don't feel stupid. It happens every day.
Really? I'm not the only one?
No, many tourists make this mistake.
That makes me feel better.
Here, platform 7, just in time.
Oh, the train is still here.
Yes, you are very lucky.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You are welcome. Now get on quickly.
I can't thank you enough.
Just enjoy your trip to Brighton.
I will, and I will be more careful next time.
Good idea. Always check the platform number.
I learned my lesson.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy the beach.
At an office, the missing report. Kevin, come to my office now.
Yes, Mrs. Dawson. I'm coming.
Where is the report?
What report?
The report, the one I asked for yesterday.
Oh no, I forgot.
Forgot? It's very important.
I'm so sorry. I had so much work.
Everyone has work, Kevin. That is no excuse.
You are right. I made a mistake.
The client needs this report today.
I know. I will do it right now.
Right now? You should have done it yesterday.
I know. I feel terrible.
How long will it take?
Maybe 2 hours.
2 hours? That's too long.
I can try to do it faster.
You should have done it faster yesterday.
I know. I'm really sorry.
Sorry doesn't help me now.
What can I do to fix this?
Finish the report in 1 hour.
1 hour? That's very fast.
I don't care. Do it.
Okay, I will try.
Don't try. Do it.
Yes, Mrs. Dawson, I will do it.
And no more mistakes.
I promise, no more mistakes.
Good. Now go. Work quickly.
Yes, ma'am, I will start now. Mrs. Dawson, the report is ready.
All ready? Show me.
Here it is, all done.
It looks good.
Really? You like it?
Yes, it's actually very good.
Oh, thank you.
But next time, don't wait until the last minute.
I won't. I learned my lesson.
Good. Now send it to the client.
I will send it right now.
Thank you, Kevin. You did good work today.
Thank you, Mrs. Dawson.
And Kevin,
Yes?
take a break after. You look tired.
Thank you, I will.
At a library, talking too loud. Young man, young man.
Huh? Yes? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
What's the problem?
You are on your phone. You are very loud.
Oh, sorry. I'll be quiet.
Please hang up or go outside.
But I'm almost done with my call.
This is a library. It needs to be quiet.
I know. Just one more minute.
You said that 5 minutes ago.
Did I? I'm sorry. I lost track.
You need to respect the rules.
I do respect the rules. I'm just busy.
We are all busy, but we are quiet.
Okay. I will hang up now.
Please do, right now.
Fine. Give me 2 seconds. The call is over. Happy?
Yes, thank you.
You are very strict, you know.
I'm not strict. I'm just following rules.
But it's just a phone call.
Phone calls disturb other people.
There is no one around.
There are people in the other room.
Oh, I didn't see them.
Exactly. You didn't look.
Okay, you are right. I was selfish.
That's a good word. Selfish.
Don't be too happy about it.
I'm not happy. I just want peace.
Well, now there is peace. Sorry.
Apology accepted.
Can I stay and study now?
Yes, but no more phone calls.
I promise. I will put it on silent.
That's a very smart idea.
See? I can learn.
Good. Now enjoy your study time.
Thank you, and sorry again.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
You are nice when you are not angry. And you are quiet when you try. Good point.
Now read your book.
Yes, ma'am.
At a taxi. Wrong route. Excuse me, where are you going?
To the airport, ma'am, like you asked.
But this is not the right road.
Yes, it is. It's the faster way.
Faster? This is longer.
No, the highway has traffic.
But I always take the highway.
The highway is very busy today.
How do you know?
I heard it on the radio.
Oh, I didn't know.
Trust me, I know the city well.
But I am very nervous.
Why are you nervous?
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
That's plenty of time.
Plenty of time? We are so far away.
Don't worry, this road saves 15 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am very sure. I drive this route every day.
Okay, I will trust you.
Good. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
I can't relax. I'm stressed.
Take a deep breath, ma'am.
Okay. Breathe deeply.
See? Better?
A little, but please drive faster.
I'm already driving the speed limit.
Really? It feels slow.
It's just the stress. You are worried.
You are right. I worry too much.
It's okay. We will get there on time.
You promise?
I promise. I never break a promise.
Okay, thank you.
See? We are here.
Oh my God, we made it!
I told you. Trust your driver.
I'm sorry I doubted you.
It's okay. You are a nervous passenger.
Yes, I am.
You have 40 minutes before your flight.
40 minutes? That's perfect.
So, you can relax now.
Yes, thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a safe flight.
I will, and I will pay you extra.
That is very kind of you.
You deserve it. You are a good driver.
Thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye, Ahmed.
Goodbye, Nancy. Safe travels.